Meaning of ectomy.
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 Ectomy. The suffix ectomy is used in medical terminology to indicate the surgical removal of a particular organ or tissue. The procedure typically involves making an incision at the site of the affected area and carefully extracting the targeted tissues while minimizing damage to surrounding structures. Common examples of ectomy procedures include appendectomy, removal of the appendix, mastectomy, removal of the breast, and hysterectomy, removal of the uterus. These surgeries are typically performed in order to treat or prevent serious health conditions such as cancer, infection, or chronic pain, and may have significant impacts on the patient's overall health and quality of life.